Mixed reactions this evening to Parliament's approval of the motion for Portmore to become Jamaica's 15th parish. Residents are renewing calls for the government to instead focus on building better infrastructure in the municipality. Kelisha Williams has that report.
Sunshine City becoming Sunshine Parish? Well, on Tuesday, the House of Representatives approved a motion for Portmore to become a parish, a significant step for this manifesto promised by the government to be realized.
It's a good idea, not bad at all.
I don't think Portmore is ready to become the 15th parish.
What I do about nothing. I mean, I don't think this is the time for it. I don't think it's necessary right now.
So with Portmore one step closer to becoming a parish, residents are hoping that there will be some real infrastructural changes.
You need a hospital, you need a market, you need a cemetery.
Mayor of Portmore, Leon Thomas, has been objecting to Portmore being granted parish status, a proposal that was first introduced by now-deceased Mayor George Lee in 2003. There was little progress, but in 2007, then Prime Minister Bruce Golding put the idea back on the front burner.
It is clear that it's just a political move that they are making, and that is why I feel bad about it. There's nothing new that is going to come. There's no benefit from naming a parish. It's just a name. Just a name. You're not going to get any more money. You're not going to get nothing at all. When you look at St. Thomas, St. Mary, Hanover, all those parishes, right, it is based on the amount of roads that they have. And their PR funding, right, the Parochial Revenue Fund, right, is minuscule.
Presently, the Portmore border is still being debated. It is also not clear which town will be named the capital.
You should come to the people and tell them this is the proposed boundary, and let the people have a say in whatever that you're doing, you know? And they did not do that. They just go with it, and they are saying that no, after they bring it to Parliament and everything, what they are going to do is to start talk about the boundary. You can't put the horse before the cart before the ass.
But according to the Parliamentary Committee Chairman Dr. Andrew Wheatley, consultations were held.
We extended on a number of occasions the deadline for submissions. We utilized the available technology to ensure that we had maximum participation. Madam Speaker, the general consensus after exhausting all the opportunities is that Portmore should be Jamaica's 15th parish.
The matter will be debated in the Senate. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.